Are you worried about your memory loss? If you have come to this video, it's because you're looking for a solution to your memory loss and want to recover your brain functions. So you are in the right video. Stay until the end of this video and I will explain everything about fast brain boosters to you. Hi, my name is Tayani and today I will tell you everything you need to know about Fast Brain Booster before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Fast Brain Booster is be careful with the website you're going to buy Fast Brain Booster because Fast Brain Booster is only sold in the official website. To help you, I left the link of the official website down below in the description of this video. Please stay with me until the end of this video to know the second important alert. So, what is Fast Brain Boosters? Fast Brain Booster is a 100% natural solution for a healthy brain. This formula is unlike anything you have ever tried or experienced in your life before. You will once be able to enjoy a quiet and peaceful time every day, being able to have a strong brain and memory. Fast Brain Booster was designed to help memory loss with a series of clinically studied natural nootropics that help people to repair mental sharpness and give anyone who uses it the best mental alertness with boosted memory and attention in a matter of weeks. Discover a 100% proven solution that boosts your brain. The secret to nourish your brain and restore perfect thinking. The most incredible breakthrough in brain enhancement. Each box has 30 capsules and should last a month. Recommended dosage is 1 capsule a day. The Fast Brain Booster supplement may help boost brain function, promote brain health, inspire creativity, improve memory skills, and slow cognitive decline. Now, if you stayed with me until now, you get to know the second and most important thing about Fast Brain Booster. You can get the 60 days guarantee. Fast Brain Booster offers, and if you don't get good results, they will refund your money back. Your satisfaction or 100% of the money back. And more. Order 6 bottles and get a special gift. 5 amazing ebooks that will boost your brain and body. There is a limited time offer you can access only by clicking in the link below in the description of this video. Don't miss out. I really hope this video helped you and also hope that Fast Brain Booster actually helps you a lot to improve your life and many other benefits that this product promotes.